Ring. La so trashi dalek dene nganzu la jo zaro lote. Oh la so trashi dalek.
다시 들래.
Trashi dalek ni keran depo imbe.
아, nga deboyin. Kerang deboyin be.
Nga yang depo yin tuji che. Hmm? La so ni jo la keran kane yin.
Um, 나, 난, 음, 난, 아, 암,
Keran kane yin.
암카?
Keran kane yin. Nga pyo
나,
yin. Keran kane yin.
음, 어, 어,
Keran kane yin. Nga
한,
pyo yin.
난, 아,
Ne yin. Keran kane yin.
야, 암리카?
Uh-huh.
아, yin? deboyin?
Ne yin.
네yin.
Kane yin. That's it. Ni di karere.
음, 보, 본래?
Okay. Hmm.
본래? 네.
Fondi. Fondi
본디.
sure. Fondi
아,
sure.
음,
That's a question. That's a question. Fondi
아, 예,
sure.
디수레. 오케이,
Uh-huh. Can you
오케이.
answer that?
Yeah, I don't remember how to say how to start with uh get with like that, but
Di or the.
the te 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 phone uh y- re no yin.
Oh, Dimason. Okay. Thank you very much. Very good try. Okay, that's very good
Mm-hmm,
try. So that I will know where you are. Hakozuma.
mm-hmm.
Very good try. Las. Tujiche, Jola, Tujiche. Hola, so. Thank you. Tene sarpa duge, sarpa mendu, las. Tigidu. Okay, yakuduk. Tene ya en clair la inda, en clair la. En clair la, tashi deleg.
Taşiderek.
Kerang kapar yu.
Um, ja, England yöre.
Kapar yu. Then kapar is where, right?
Ja,
Hakos
ja.
Yankian in the
Okay.
Kerang
Ja,
Kapar.
ja. Okay, ja, England la.
Uh-huh. Finish the
Sorry.
sentence. Finish the sentence.
England. Eng, tada England la yöre.
That's it. Yuri or you. Like this. Tatanga England la you or Tatanga Yakar la you. Like this. Hakosma. Okay?
Awesome.
Well good. So Tisoni Tata Keranki Chokmo Kapar Yuri. Tata Keranki Chokmo Kapar Yuri in Kerala.
Oh, okay. Tada ni trokmu
Mm-hmm.
England la yöre.
That's it. England la Yuri. Konki Ming Karere.
Con Kiming uh, Joe Ray.
That's it. Ale, Yabudu, Tujichi, Tashi Delek. Very good. Yeah.
Tashidere.
Tene Tharala in the Tharala.
La
Tashi Delek.
taxi de la
Tharala, Di Harire.
Di kapar yore.
Di kari re.
Di di kapare.
That's it. Agosuma. Kapar di su re.
Di gela yore.
Su re. Su re.
Yeah, sure. Mm.
Su re. With the akikuri. Agosuma.
Yeah. Who's is it? Yeah, this is
Hmm?
kapar di kung sure.
Dimason. Dimason. Use this
Dimason.
particle. Use connection particle.
Okay.
Agosuma. Hmm?
Kapar di kung ki sure.
Su is question. Konki re.
Re, yeah. Kapar di kung ki re. Mm.
Oh, if it's yours, then how would you say?
Nga nga ki kapar yure. Mm.
Yore mare re. We are identifying right now.
Oh, re, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Kapar di
Nga
nge
kapar di re.
or kapar di nge re. Agosuma.
Yeah. Kapar di nge re, yeah.
Or kapar di konki re. That's
Yours, okay.
yours mare. Kong.
Kung. Yeah, kung. Mm-hmm.
Kapar di kerang ki re. Like this.
Kapar di kirang kire, that's yours, yeah.
Mhm.
Mm.
Agosuma. Okay?
Hakosong, yes.
Tarala, we need to remember that these particles are connection particles. And these
Yes.
particles comes after whoever is related to. Hakozunga.
Hakosong.
Example, kapar di ngere.
Kapar di
Yours,
ngere.
that's why nga akikui.
Okay.
Kapar di konki re. It's his or hers.
Yeah.
Chetan konki.
Yes.
Oh yeah. 나 연결인다. kapar di
Kapar,
suire. Tarala. Kapar di suire.
kapar di kong kire. Mm.
kapar di konki mare. Kapar di ngere.
Yeah, kapar di. So you want this is yours, right? No, kapar
Bene.
di tensen kire. Mm.
That's it. Tenzin kire. That's it.
Mm.
Or if you want to use pronoun, then
Kapar di kong kire. Mm.
mare. Kong third person re.
Oh, kapar di kerang kire. Mm.
That's it. Kerang kire. Tarala, you need to practice this. Hakosuma.
Yes,
How to
I get confused with kong ki and kerang ki. Yes, kong ki third person, kerang ki is you. Yeah,
That's it. That's it. Yakula.
yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah.
Hakosuma. Okay?
Hakosong. Okay. Yes.
That's it. So we know that these five particles indicates
Yeah.
relation, connection.
Yes.
These particles should come after whoever is connected to or whatever
Yes.
is connected to.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes. Hakosong.
Kapardi ngere, kapardi konkire, kapardi kerankire.
Mhm. Yes.
That's why
Hakosong.
when you say nge trokmo,
Yeah. Nghe thuộc bộ. Yeah. My friend. Yeah.
that's it.
Mhm.
Okay?
Hakosong. Yes.
That's it. 야골랍소. Okay.
Okay.
달알라 투지체, 달알라 투지.
투주체.
Very good try, 라소. 되네. 야, 되네. 니콜레라 인다, 니콜레라.
Laganla.
니콜레라, 카파르디 케랑키 레페.
Karang kapardi ne mare. Kapardi kerangere.
That's it. 야골랍소. 니콜레라, 케랑 타다 카파르유.
Tata na kampenanglayo.
That's it. 알레, 타다 케랑 사캉라 메페.
Yan gerçek?
Tata kerang restaurant la or sakang la mepe.
À, à, mẹ tata na sakang mẹ
Sakang la.
la mẹ
That's it.
sakang la mẹ.
Yagula. Thank you, Nicolela. Tujiche.
Doğru şey yana.
That's it. That's it. Okay. I'm just showing you revision of what we have learned till now grammatically. Hagosunga. The delta connection particle. Raba. Today we learned la. This la. Hagosunga. Latin. We call it Latin. And we know that this la shows direction or location. Hagosunga. That's why you say Tatanga England la yu, Tatanga Dharamsala la yu, Tatanga Hong Kong la yu, Tatangi Chokmo Hong Kong la yuri. Like this. Hagosunga. Okay? Very good, very good. Tujiche. That's it. Then recently we learned this. Kare Chekiduk. Hagosunga. Kare Chekiduk. That's it. Oh yeah. Then we learned Rokpa Che also. Hagosunga. Rokpa Che. Rokpa Che. Hagosunga. Oh yeah. Tadene ya di inda. Nyurmala inda Nyurmala. Nyurmala
So,
Kare Chekiduk.
Rokpa Chekitu.
That's it. Rokpa Chekiduk. That's it. Very good. That's it. Now if we add little bit more, we can add this also. Yeah. Nyurmala Dilodhang.
Rokpola Rokpa Je.
Tropola Rokpa Chekiduk. Hagosunga. Okay? That's it. The kiduk, we know that it is present tense. Hagosunga. And we use it when it's like a oh, like this. Hagosunga. Okay? Oh, Rokpa
Yeah.
Chekiduk. Oh, pizza sakiduk. Like this. Yes, please. Ale, last. So, Tahakosuma kiduk, when to use kiduk. The question is, kare chekiduk. Kare chekiduk. Hakosuma, you can repeat that in your mind. Repeat after me. Kare chekiduk. Kare chekiduk. Like this. Hakosuma, okay? Now here, we have little bit extra here. Chokpo la. So we know what does la do. Let's say yen hong la inda. What does la do?
To someone. Direction.
That's it. Direction. It shows direction. Hakosuma. Okay. So here we know Rokpa Chekiduk. Chokpo la Rokpa Chekiduk. Hakosuma. Oh, la is direction, not the action doer. Hakosuma. There is no action doer here. There is only action and action's place where the action is happening. Right now, action is happening to a friend. Hakosuma. Tropola Rokpa Chekiduk. Tropola Rokpa Chekiduk. Okay, is there any question for this? Tiwa Yupe. That's it.
Can say la. So this means that this in Tropola Chekidu, Rokpa Chekidu means helping the male friend.
That's it. Helping to.
Male friend.
That's it. To
Okay. Yeah, Tung Ju Che. So I just want to be sure that my understanding is correct. Thank
That's
you, Tung
okay.
Ju
That's
Che.
okay. We know that la shows direction. Now here we have action in present tense. Ropa cheki duk. Ki duk. Ropa cheki duk. Sula ropa cheki duk. To whom? Chopo la ropa cheki duk. Like this. Agosunga. Okay? Oh yeah. We know that. We know already Su. Who? Ropa. Kong Su Re. Kong Donald Trump Re. Like this. Kong Su Re. Kong Elon Musk Re. Kong Su Re. Kong Kim Jong Un Re. Like this. Okay? Like this. Then we know Sashapkyusu Akikui Su with the connection particle. Whose? Kapar di Sui Re. Kapar di Konki Re. Kapar di Nge Re. Kapar di Keranki Re. Kapar di Yenhunki Re. Like this. Now we have Sula. To whom? Agosunga. Like this. Okay? Sula. That's it. Sula. Boom. Okay? Now here I can add Sula Ropa Chikiduk. Sula Ropa Chikiduk. Topola Ropa Chikiduk. That's it. Agosunga. Okay? That's it. That's it. Now we here. Yeah. In the Wangmola in the Wangmola. Wangmola Dilodang.
레가제,
That's it. Lekache. Karichekiduk.
치록라 레가제,
Kiduk. My question was in the Kiduk. Agosunga.
치록라 레가제 기두,
That's it. Chilogla Lekache Kiduk. Agosunga. You have to say Kiduk here because it's you are just now direct experiencing it. It's not a general knowledge for you.
한국사,
Present tense. Agosunga.
두제제,
That's it. So here, Chilogla Leka Chekiduk. Chilogla, we know Chilogla, Nangla, Gangla, Okla. That's it. Chilogla Leka Chekiduk. That's it. The question will be Kapar Leka Chekiduk. We know Kapar already. Kapar Leka Chekiduk. Chilogla Leka Chekiduk. Chilogla Leka Chekiduk. That's it. Agosunga, okay? Now we know La shows direction. Direction is not always place or preposition. It could be friend, anything. Agosunga. Like this. Chilogla leka chekitu. That's it. Agosunga. Yeah, tene di inda. Yeah, Dharala inda, Dharala. Dharala yankyar inda. Dilodhan, Dharala, di kharire.
Yeah, yeah. Cannot, okay.
Try reading it, no problem.
Sa Phật chở nguồn hướng rút rõ rõ khát tức khát tức dạ gỡ dạ tức dạ dạ
That's it.
pa. So what does it mean?
Ra, kata ga, yata gya, pa, yap. Raba. Okay?
Yeah, gyap, yeah. So what does it mean? Ah, okay. Kora gyap.
That's it.
Kora gyap.
Kora gyap.
Yeah,
Yes.
Kora. I said
Kora
Kor
gyap.
and then Ra gyap. Okay, gyap. Yesterday we learned doing the Kora. Yeah,
Kora gyap.
Mm.
Kora gyap.
Kora gyap.
Now we have here, yeah, Dilotang and Dila, Tharala.
Mm-hmm. Khổ không phải là giặc no không phải là cô ra giặc.
That's it.
Ừ.
Gunpala, Kora gyap. Gunpala, Kora gyap.
Gompa là yeah. Going the Kora around the Gompa, yeah.
Gunpala, Kora gyap.
Kora gyap.
Gunpala, Kora gyap.
Yes.
Now it is present tense and it's like a O moment. Then you say Gunpala, Kora gyap kiduk.
Yeah. Okay.
Hagosunga, Gunpala,
Hakoso
Kora gyap kiduk.
Gompa là giặc Gompa là Kora gyap. So
Finish.
it's
Gyap kiduk. Like this. Hagosunga. Okay, Tarala.
Yeah. Gompala,
Kora,
Gompala, Kora, Gyap, Kidu. Yes. If I'm doing it now, yes.
Gunpala,
Yeah.
Kora gyap kiduk.
Yes.
Hagosunga. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, then we have one new one here. Yeah, Dilotang, Tene Dinda.
Amala, Copper, 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 Yep, no, Ka, Ta, Naro, To, Tong,
That's it, Tong, Tong.
Kapertong. Yeah. Amala Kapertong. Okay.
Kapar.
Amato. So Ama using mobile. Yeah.
No. Why you are saying Amma is using mobile? There is no subject here.
Oh, okay. Ama Kapertong. So
Kapartong, labna call. Hagosunga call.
Kapertong is to call. But yesterday you said they're using mobile Kapertong.
What?
Amala Kapertong Kiduk.
That's it. Amala Kapartong kiduk. Just like
Yeah. Kapertong Kiduk. Using mobile, yes.
using mobile mare. Tarala, using mobile mare.
Call.
Where is the la? La is after
Oh,
the.
with Amma. Okay. Amma la Kapertong Kiduk. Okay, to call Amma.
That's it. Calling to Amma.
Amma, yeah. Okay. Yeah. What are you doing? Okay. What? Kare Kiduk. So Amma la Kapertong Kiduk.
That's it. Amma la Kapartong kiduk.
Kiduk. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Okay. Very good try. That's it. Tujiche. That's it. Okay. Then we go back here. Agosma. Okay. Then we know Chatung. We learned Chatung, right? Chatung. We learned Chatung. If someone is having tea at Starbucks, then how would you say? Let's try, yeah. Let's try Claire line. Say it in a kiduk moment. Akosuma kiduk moment. Mute reduk Claire la.
Sorry. Chatung kiduk.
That's it. That's great. Now add location.
Chatung. Okay. Chatung Starbucks la kiduk.
No. Chatung kiduk should be together because we know that before we learned kiduk, there is a formula here, right? What it is? Verb
All right.
plus. Verb should be with the kiduk. Akosuma,
Okay.
you have to keep that
Starbucks.
in. Akosuma.
Okay.
What is
Starbucks.
Mhm.
So Starbucks la chatung kiduk.
That's it.
Yeah.
No need to think English. Akosuma. Starbucks la chatungidu. Keep that formula in the mind. Verb should be together with the kiduk if it's kiduk moment. Akosuma. Verb karere. Verb chatung ruba. Tene kiduk. Chatungidu. If you wanna add location, Starbucks la chatungidu. Himalaya Cafe la chatungidu. Jimmy Italian la coffee tungidu.
Starbucks la suja kiduk.
Starbucks la suja tungidu. Tung. You have to say the
Tung. Yeah.
That's it. Then we know kalaksa also. Right? Kalaksa. Ruah. Kalaksa. If it's kiduk moment. Kalaksa kiduk. Ruah. Let's say eating at KFC. Akosuma. Yeah. Di inda. Epolina la inda. Try Chetan.
Bhurki sakanga kalak sagidug.
That's it. Peki sakang la. Ruba? Very good. Akosuma. Peki sakang la. Peki sakang. Ki relation particle. Sakang. Restaurant re. Akosuma. Tibetan's restaurant. Tibetan restaurant. Ruba? Peki sakang la kalak sakidu. Just like that. Akosuma. Payabo. Very good. Oh, lasu. Now we know that when to use kiduk or yiduk or like this. Akosuma. Any question? Any doubt about when to use kiduk with the verb? Tiwa Yobe.
When you use la, that's location particle or direction particle? So
Oh, yeah.
when you say Starbucks la, that's, for example, that's location particle?
I would say for me it's both same location or
okay.
direction. It shows where it is, where the action is happening
okay.
right now. Akosuma?
Oh.
Okay. So when I say my English is not that good, I mean
That's okay.
direction and location is same. That's what I meant. Akosuma? Okay?
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
So we know that right now, la indicates location or direction. That's it. 하고서
Mm.
okay? That's it. Pöki sakangla kalak sakidu. Just like that.
And can we use this gidug in the past form, past tense form, like for something that has already happened?
Not in the sense of past tense. Okay? But it should be, it could be in the past and also still doing it. So it will be present something happening generally like this. Okay? For example, you see someone drinking alcohol. It's not your common knowledge. So it's like, oh, to you. So when someone say, you say, oh, arak thunkiduk, or whiskey thunkiduk, it means he will be still drinking continuously. Agosma. So it will be still comes under present tense. Agosma. Okay? That's it. There is no usage in the past tense. Agosma. Okay?
Agusong, tujenang.
That's it. That's it. Very good. Any more question? Chiwa Yupe. That's it. Okay.
Then Sila, so can we go back to the sentence, the earlier sentence? Yeah. Thu ki sa kang la kalak sa kiduk. So that means eating at the Tibetan restaurant.
That's it.
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
No.
Pui sa. Okay. Yeah. So if I want to change pui ki, so I change it to say Italian ki sa kang la
That's it.
kala sakido.
That's it. Italian ki sakang la kalak sakidu.
Okay. Yeah.
Italian ki
Okay.
sakang la pasta sakidu.
Okay.
Agosma. Okay.
Okay. Hakasong. Yeah.
Genla,
Yes.
can we use adjectives like kalak sagidug? Can we say kalak dukchak sagidug?
Yes.
Okay, tujenang.
That's it. Agosma. Or kalak yaku sakidu. Agosma. Anything. That's it. Now, if you notice, I haven't introduced who is the action doer in the sentence. We only know action and where action happened. Okay? That's it. And we only know present tense with only one moment, situation, when it's, oh, like this. And you witness it. It's not your common knowledge. And it's like you watching through binocular moment. Oh, Kalasakidu. Oh, Chathungidu. Like this. Now, to introduce you, who is the action doer? We need a particle, grammar particle, just like ki, something like this, to indicate that is the action doer. Agosuma? Okay? So for that, today I'm going to introduce you Chedra. Okay? You can write down. Agosuma, take note. Chedra. Agosuma. We already learned Deldra. Now I'm introducing Chedra. Agosuma. That's it. Please keep consistency. If you don't do it consistently, sorry, then you will forget easily. 하고 세상, 정아, consistence. Only for 5 minutes is also okay. At least do it. 하고 when there is no lesson. Okay? That's it. Adetine, Chedra. And these are the 5 particles that indicates who is the action doer. Agosuma? That's it. Chedra.
Okay.
Before we learned Sakangla Kalak Sakidu. Right? Now I add action doer also. Kong Ki. Because Kong, the third person, whoever he or she, is the action doer. Kakikuki Saki should be after that action doer. Agosuma. Okay? That's the rule. So we say Kongki Sakangla Kalak Sakidu. That's it, finish. Or if it's Enclair Ki Sakangla Kalak Sakidu. Nicole Ki Sakangla Kalak Sakidu. Marcelo Ki Sakangla Kalak Sakidu. Like this. Agosuma. Okay? So here I show you example where is Kakigu Kisaki. It's after the Kong because he is the action doer. Agosuma. That's it. If it's plural, then you say Kongsoki. That's it. I'm saying ki because this is most commonly used. That's like Kongki, Keranki, Tenzin-ki, Enclair-ki, Yenhong-ki, like this. Agosuma, when speaking, they say ki. But there should be rules which suffix goes which particle. Agosuma. Okay? We will do that later, not need to know right now. Agosuma. Right now, just understand Chedra is the name of the particle that indicates action doer. And it should write after always the action doer. Agosuma. Kongsoki Sakangla Kalak Sakidu. Or Kongki Sakangla Kalak Sakidu. Or Marcelo Ki Sakangla Kalak Sakidu. Okay? Before we learned Kare Chekiduk. Now I can add action doer. Kongki Kare Chekiduk. Agosuma. Okay? Kongki Kare Chekiduk. Or Enclair Ki Kare Chekiduk. Marcelo Ki Kare Chekiduk. Nurma Ki Kare Chekiduk. Apollina Ki Kare Chekiduk. Like this. If Marcelo is drinking tea, if I ask, Marcelo ki kare chekidu, then you say, Marcelo ki, kakiku kisa ki, action dual particle. Marcelo ki, cha tunkiduk. That's it. Hagosunga? That's it. Okay. Now we know that these are the 5 particles that indicates action doer. Hagosunga? Okay? If you notice, it is very similar to delta. The only difference is there is no sa in the delta. For cheta, there is sa here. Hagosunga. Okay? That's it. And how it goes, before I introduce you a little bit, these particles, 5 particles, are just like us, our common people, have no freedom on its own. It has to always depend on the suffix. Suffix, like this. Okay? And we know that mostly in speaking they use ki. And before I told you, when there is no suffix, we use yi or yi, like this. For example, when you say nga, there is no suffix here. That's why we write akikui, nge thep, nge trokmo, nge trokpo, nge amalak, nge palak, nge lama, nge rimbuche, nge gunpa, anything, nge thep. Okay? So how it goes after the suffix is same here. Mostly they use when speaking ki. When there is no suffix, instead of using akiku isai or yakiku isai, we only use sa here. For example, nga, there is no suffix, we use nge, like this. Okay? That we will come later, no problem. But we know that this particle indicates action doer, who did the action. Now we have pronoun like kong for third person, right? Plural kongso, like this. Okay? Now let's try. We know that kong ki kare cheki duk. Let's try this question. Oh yeah. Inda. Yeah. Yen hong la inda, yen hong la. Yen hong la, kong ki kare cheki duk.
Không khí ropa chekituk.
Now say kong ki sula rokwa cheki duk.
Không khí chopola ropa chekituk.
That's it. Kong ki chopola rokwa cheki duk. Oh yeah. Sa inda. Tene Marcelo la inda. Marcelo la. Kongsu kare chekiduk or kongso ki kare chekiduk.
Kongso ki leka chekidu.
That's it. Kongso ki leka chekiduk. Now add direction.
Kongso ki chilokla leka chekidu.
That's it. Kongso ki chilogla leka chekiduk. That's it. How goes ma? Very good. Now let's say, yeah, tarala inda, tarala.
Yeah.
Konki Karichekiduk.
Konki Kapper Tonkidu.
That's now add direction.
Directions will say. Konki Amala Kapper Tonkidu.
That's it. Very good, Tharala. That's it.
Mm.
Agosma Konki
Akoso.
Amala Kapar Tonkidu.
Yeah. Okay.
Hmm?
He's calling his mother. Okay. Yeah.
Lainda. Yeah. Enclairla inda. Enclairla. Kongso ki Karichekidu. Kongso. Plural. Kongso ki Karichekidu.
Kongso Koragyap Kiduk.
But you missed the action doer particle.
Sorry, Kongso I action doer.
You can use these. These are the action doer particle, right?
Yeah.
So you can use ki, kakiku kisa ki. It's no problem. Agosunga. Okay? Now let's
Yeah, I'm getting confused. Sorry. So Kongs.
Yes, and
Konki Koragyap. No.
that's it. Konki kora gyap.
Kiduk.
That's it.
This action. I don't know. Koragyap chik Kiduk.
Gyap is already the verb.
Gyap is the doing. Okay. So is that right? Kongs Koragyap Kiduk.
That's it. Kora gyap.
Okay.
But you have to say kakiku kisa ki after the action doer. They are the action doer, so you say konso ki. Kora gyap.
Sorry. Kongso ki. Okay. Kongso ki. Koragyap Kiduk.
That's it.
Yeah.
Now you wanna add where they are going to Kora?
Kongso ki Koragyap Gompala Kiduk.
Think. Kiduk with what?
Sorry. Okay. Gompala Kongso ki Koragyap Kiduk.
That's it. Gonpala Kongso ki Kora Gyapiduk. Or Kongso ki Gonpala Kora Gyapiduk. Because you put the la in the right place, sentence meaning doesn't change. It's correct. That's it.
Okay,
Kongso ki Gonpala Kora Gyapiduk. Or Gonpala Kongso ki Kora Gyapiduk. That's it.
Okay.
Put the particle in the right place. Then it makes sense. Agosum. Konsuki Konpala Korakyapkidu. That's it. Very good.
Okay.
That Apollina Linda. Suppose Yen Hong is eating at Tibetan restaurant. Then I say, Yen Hong ki Karichekiduk.
Yen ge Khalaks Sagidu.
That's it. Now add location or direction.
Any direction, any location.
Any location.
Yen Hungi Nangla Khalak Sagidu.
That's it. Yen Hong ki Nangla or Kangpala. Kalak Sakidu. That's it. Well, very good. Tujiche. Yeah, Jola in the Jola. You wanna try? Let's say Marcelo is having coffee in Starbucks. Marcelo ki kare cheki duk.
Uh, Marcelo Key coffee copy
Okay.
Starbucks la cha Starbucks la tunkiduk.
Okay. Ine yang kerangi dusla. Marcelo ki Starbucks.
Marcelo Key Starbucks la
Mhm.
coffee kiduk.
Where
I
is
forgot the verb.
verb? Tung.
Tun kiduk.
Marcelo ki Starbucks la coffee tunki duk. Like this.
Coffee tun kiduk.
Hakosunga. Okay. That's it. Yagulapson. Tene ya Nicole la inda.
Лагала.
Nicole la nge kare cheki duk. Tu 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 tur tur.
Tenzin kapar tongiduk.
Ama la. You missed la.
Yeah, but I didn't know that you called tomato. Tomasa, you didn't say Tomasa.
Ale. Amar.
Yeah, okay. Tenzin amala kapar tongiduk.
That's Agosuma. Very good. Very good. Right now, Nicole used other particle other than la here. He used ra here. Agosuma. Amar. Like this. But mostly we use la. We also use ra sometimes when we say kapar. Where? This ra is this particle. Agosuma. Okay? So we don't need to say kapar la. That's wrong. Agosuma. Because there is already particle here. Agosuma. That's it. Very good. Hola.
So why did he use ra instead of la? Amala, so amara. Amar.
Umar.
Mm.
That's it.
Mm.
So that's okay.
So what is the difference? What is the difference? How do we know that we have to use amala or amar?
That's no problem. That depends on the suffix. We are not
There yet.
required to know yet.
Okay. We are not there yet. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Use la. Without looking at the suffix, we use la because la has freedom. It doesn't have to depend on the suffix. It's free. So he can go anywhere without looking at the suffix. That's why we use la. Okay? That's it. Now we know these 5 particles should be after the action doer. Okay? That's it. Yeah. Then Nurmala in the Nurmala.
La.
Tenzin ki kare chekidu.
Tenzin ki shu tungidu.
That's it. Tenzin ki chu tungidu. Just like that. Yeah. Okay? So keep in mind, today we learned Chedra. Chedra karire. What is Chedra? Chedra karire. Chedra is particle that indicates action doer, whoever did the action. Okay? Hmm? That's it. So it should be after the action do word. Konki, keranki, tenzinki, uleki.
And say last only today we learned the key, the Chedra key. We have not learned the rest of the four. The yi and then re and then the
Yes, yes.
ki and then ki.
Okay, today I will tell a little bit. Mostly we use ki when speaking. Hagosuma. And we also usage here is same. Mostly we use ki, delta. But when there is no suffix, Hagosuma. If you want me to describe suffix, I will describe it once more here. You can clarify this. Hagosuma. If I read this word, ka, ya, ka, yak, yak. When I say yak, what is the first sound? First sound is ya. That's why this is called base sound. Agosma base sound. Anything later that is before the base sound is prefix. Any letter that comes after the main sound is suffix. Agosma. These particles have no freedom because they have to look for suffix, whatever is the suffix of the last noun. Agosuma, okay? That's why they have no freedom. So before we discuss key, you can use it when there is suffix, Tenzin key, and Claire key, Marcelo key, like this. But when there is no suffix, then we use these two. From these two, we mostly use akikui. That's why when you say nga, first sound is nga. There is no prefix or suffix. If there is no suffix, you write akikui. Nge. We know this. Nge ming. Nge ming tenzin re. Konki ming yenhong re. Like this. Agosma. Same method here. Mostly we use ki. But when there is no suffix, we use these two. But we don't write akikui or yakikui. We only write sa here. That's why it becomes, when it's nga, it becomes nge. Nga sa nge. Tingi dradang chikpa mare. Dradang chikpa mare. Dradang chikpa mare. Pronunciation chikpa mare. Sound chikpa mare. Nga sa nge. Cut it. Nge. Like this. Nga akikui nge. Like a little bit longer. Nge. 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 Like this. Okay? That's it. So now today we learn this one, Hagosuma Chedra, with almost similar to delta, but with the sa extra. It is called Chedra. And what does it do? It indicates who did the action. Hagosuma. For example, here, Kong ki kare chekiduk. Kong ki leka chekiduk. That's it. Tara ki kare chekiduk. Tara ki Höyik Jongkiduk. We know this. Höyik Jong. Study Tibetan language. Hagosuma. Dara ki kare chekiduk. Dara ki Höyik Jongkiduk. Like this. Tibetan for everyone group ki. Kare chekiduk. Tibetan for everyone group ki. Höyik Jongkiduk. Like this. 하고숭아. Okay? Just like that. So now I have introduced you few correct verbs. 하고숭아, 베익종, 자퉁, 출퉁, 삐자싸, like this. Okay? Now for homework, we should at least use those verbs in sentence with the kiduk, present tense, with direct experience situation. 하고숭아. For example, 베익종, you can say 공기, 베익종 기둑. That's it. Try to practice saying it at least. 하고숭아. With all those verbs. I have given few verbs. 하고숭아. 공기, 자동기둑. 공기, 베익종기둑. Like this. Now you can add location also. 공기, zoom라. In Zoom. 공기, zoom라, 베익종기둑. You can add location also. 공기, zoom라, 베익종기둑.
Tensila, I don't understand the yung. Yung, how did it become yung?
용 말이 종래, 종.
Yung, this is yung, but then what happened to the pui? Pui ki. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Jong, okay. The word before between pui and jong. Pui ki, right? Pui ki, yong ki do.
말해. 베익기, there is no 베익기.
So pui. So
베익종 is a verb. 하고숭아.
So what is the ya and then the kiku ka? What is the missing purpose there to add there before the yung?
This is
Yeah.
now 베익, Tibetan language. 종. That's it.
Puyik. Oh, puyik. Okay. Puyik yong kiduk. Okay. Now it makes sense. That's what yik. So there is a yik there, right? Puyik. Yes. But it doesn't sound very much when you speak quickly, no? Puyik yong kiduk. Yes. Okay, I got it now. Yes. Juche.
So for our homework, try practice saying those verbs with the action doer and action doer particle and where the action is happening. 하고숭아. For example, 공기 Starbucks 라 coffee 둥기둑. 하고숭아. Okay? That's it. Right now we are only learning one part of present tense, which is direct experience, not general knowledge. And it's like a moment. Okay? That's it. So please practice this. 하고숭아.
Could you just say what does jong mean? What does the verb jong mean?
It could be study, learn.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Or train sometimes.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
That's it.
And there was another verb that you used that I hadn't seen before. Leka, chekido.
Lekache is a verb.
Lekache.
Do work.
Do work. Okay.
하고숭아. lekache.
Agosan.
공기 lekachekidu. Or you can say 공기 레쿵라. 레쿵라. Now la is direction here. 레쿵, new word. This is office. 하고숭아. Working place. 레쿵, office. Kongki le kung la le ka chekidu. Like this. Agosuma. Okay,
Agos-
that's it.
Agosom.
So next time I will show picture of some action happening and I will ask question and we will try to answer this. Agosuma. Most of us doing very fast, good. But please have patience for those who cannot do fast. Agosuma. And it will not harm to learn revision. Agosuma. Is always good. Okay? Every time we know something more. Agosuma. Like this. That's it. So today this much. Okay? Ani tuji che. Trashi delek. Please practice
Tujuche,
this.
Tujuche.
제체.
Tashi Dile,
Chiche Genla. When is
Mashile.
Genla? When is the next class?
Next class is day after.
Friday.
Yes.
Friday. Okay. So it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday classes.
Really.
Yeah. Okay. Tuji Nang.
Tuji che. Yes.
Tensila, what is the word for patience?
Sögum.
Huh?
Sögum.
So, different question. Can I just ask, at one point you said we would do twice a week. Are we carrying on doing it 3 times a week?
No.
We haven't
After we
started the
start
next class.
A1, then we will do 2 times a week.
Okay, Hagosom. Yeah, this week we'll do it Friday. Yeah, that's fine.
So,
Thank you.
so what's Sugum, huh? Gum. Sugum.
No, Sögum.
Gum.
Huh?
Su and then Gum. Yeah. Sa and then Kata, yeah, and then Naru and then Ma, yeah, Gum, yeah. Sugum is patience.
Yes.
Mm.
Sö is Söpa.
Mm.
Patience. Gum is meditate or what? Or awareness.
So I was just going to ask you, the Gum means, actually you told us Gum is to meditate the other day, no? So
Yes.
how did it become patience? Sugum. Sugum.
You are being patient. You are actually aware of what's happening. What will
Okay.
be the result? What happen if you do something out of unawareness?
Unawareness.
So that's it. Okay.
Okay. Sugum. Okay. Okay. So I was going to say, thank you for your patience with us. Okay.
Yeah.
So we all are very good. Okay, not only me. We all are very good. Equal. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Tugjoche.
Let's
Jela Jelong.
practice, okay?
Yes,
Mhm.
we will.
Delta.
Yes.
We should practice delta.
Deldra and
We should
Chedra.
practice chedra. We should also practice Latin, how to use la.
Okay. Yes.
That's it. These 3. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
That's it.
Tugjoche. Tugjoche. Good night.
So,
Lasso. Thank you.
that's it.